Your Excellency President Mnangagwa of the Republic of Zimbabwe, our host, Your Excellency Paul Kagame, the Chairman of the Summit, Your Excellency President HH of Zambia, Your Excellency President Chakwera of Malawi, Excellencies, Ministers, Heads of Institution and Development Partners, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, Sinvusele Begunene. Allow me to start by thanking the President of our host country, government, and the people of this great nation for the warm reception accorded to my entire delegation since our arrival in this Ionic Victoria Falls. It is an honor for me to participate for the first time in this Transform Africa Summit. We now live in an exciting time where the world is changing at an unprecedented pace. The rate of technological advancement is staggering, and the world is more interconnected than ever before. Therefore, Africa should not be left behind. As we move forward, we must embrace innovation, connection, and digital transformation if we hope to create a better future for ourselves and generations to come in our beloved continent. Africa has to be united in her efforts of promoting the Africa we want as espoused in the 2063 agenda. The African Continental Free Trade Area is another pillar that can help us to be a united force in terms of trading amongst ourselves. We need appropriate technology to add value to our products in order to stop exporting them raw to external markets. In today's world, digital infrastructure and connectivity are vital to the success of business, government, and individuals. They are the backbone of the digital economy, which has become increasingly important in recent years. In the Kingdom, we have made strides to ensure our citizens have fast and reliable internet access, mobile connectivity, and we are now working on a digital Mswati framework which will complement the state-of-the-art data center and call center that is in place. Therefore, it is time for us to focus on technology as a vehicle that can enhance our development, thus bridging the digital divide between ourselves and the West. We need to share technology and not to compete with each other. When African countries come together and work towards common goals, they can achieve more than they would as separate entities. A united Africa can create a more stable and secure environment that encourages investment, job creation, and economic growth. It can also lead to increased political power and influence on the global stage. In recent years, technology has enabled people to communicate and collaborate more easily across borders. With the widespread use of the internet and mobile devices, people can access information, connect with others, and conduct business regardless of their physical location. One example of technology unifying Africa is through mobile money services. This innovation has allowed people to transfer money quickly and easily across borders, making it easy for families to support each other and for businesses to conduct transactions. Another way technology can unify Africa is through e-commerce. Online marketplaces allow businesses to reach customers all over the continent and beyond, breaking down traditional barriers to trade. The Kingdom of Eswatini is the host of the African Electronic Trade Group, AE Trade, for Southern African region. This is another attempt to promote trade amongst ourselves in Africa. Technology can also promote cultural exchange and understanding. Social media platforms enable people to share their experiences and connect with others from different parts of the continent. This can lead to greater understanding and the appreciation of the diversity of African cultures. In conclusion, a united Africa can be a strong Africa that benefits all its citizens. Technology can play a significant role in unifying Africa by breaking down traditional barriers to communicate, trade, education, e-medicine, and cultural exchange. By embracing technology and working together towards common goals, Africa can achieve greater economic growth, political power, and global influence. Africa's digital transformation is not just a possibility, but a necessity in today's fast-paced world. With the rapid advancements in technology, it is imperative that Africa as a continent keeps up with the rest of the world. The good news is that we can all be a part of this transformation. Firstly, we can start by embracing technology in our daily lives. Whether it's using mobile phones, computers, or internet, we should make a conscious effort to be empowered to use ICT. This will not only enhance our productivity, but also open up new opportunities for innovation, creativity, and growth. Secondly, we can support local startups and businesses that are developing innovative technology solutions. For an example, in the Kingdom of Eswatini, we have a Royal Science and Technology Park, RSTP, that is providing training for business startups for our young entrepreneurs. These businesses have the potential to transform entire industries and create job opportunities for thousands of our people. Thirdly, we can invest in education and skills development for the youth. This will ensure that they have the necessary skills to succeed in the digital age and contribute to Africa's digital transformation. Lastly, we can advocate for policies and regulations that promote innovation and digital growth. This will create an enabling environment for businesses to thrive and for Africa to become a global leader in technology. In conclusion, Africa's digital transformation is not an individual effort, but a collective one. Let's all play a part in embracing technology, supporting local businesses, investing in education, and advocating for policies that promote innovation. Together, we can build a brighter future for Africa. I thank you for your attention. May God bless us all.